issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ohio County in southeastern Indiana, northeastern Switzerland County in southeastern Indiana until 5:15 p.m. At 4:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Vivi, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Florence, Walton, Rising Sun, Oak Brook, Burlington, Union, French, Patriot, Center Square, Aberdeen, Richwood, Idlewild, Big Bone Lick, Waterloo, Markland, Rabbit Hash, Hebron, Beaverlet, Kirkus Grove, and North Landing. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 71 in Kentucky between mile markers 75 and 77. Interstate 75 in Kentucky between mile markers 173 and 183.